Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell templates on Envato elements. So the first step you need to do is to search for Envato elements, and you need to open the first website, that is Envato elements. So here you can see, and on this website you can find different templates, and so here you can see that, and here you can search for, like I'm going to search for social media for example, and here you can see graphic templates. Click on that, and here you can see different templates, and these all templates are made by different persons. So here you can see the details, and you can find different here elements and different templates. So then you need to go back, and here you need to search for, I want to sell I want to sell templates on Envato elements. Okay. Now you need to open Envato author support. Here you can see that create an Envato account. So first you need to get to know about Envato. Then you need to create your account and read our author glossary and review our quality expectations. Then you need to upload your items and keep track of earning and performance, and you can manage your items. So this is the complete article. You can go through it, and you need to create accounts. Then you need to create your templates. You can use either Canva, or you can use Photoshop, or any software that you use, and you can upload your templates, and once you get sale you can earn good income from here. So this is the process that you need to follow to sell templates on Envato elements. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.